Like, if you just saw, like, some drunk stumbling down the street.
Yeah.
You know? He'd be like, her. Like an extreme hiccup monster. Like a bubble would come out of his mouth. You know what I'm talking about? Like a cartoon. You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah, what was that dog? Like the white old man dog?
He'd be
The
like,
long ear. What kind of dog was he? Like
he'd like, oh, it's not, it's a it's not a German Shepherd, it's a fucking
yeah,
Saint Bernard.
yes.
And he had the little thing on his neck.
Yeah.
He'd open it up. Seriously, like he'd find him in the snow and he'd open his little canister up and just start hiccuping.
What are you talking about? Did that really happen?
You've never seen those little cartoons?
Yeah, but I didn't see that one. Are you just saying that?
The big Saint Bernard would like have that little, like it was like a little canister on his neck, and he'd find him like stuck in the snow, and he'd open it up, and they'd be like, "Here."
Oh, I thought you were talking. You said that they would hiccup.
Yeah, they'd hiccup, and some little bubbles would come out of their mouth.
Oh, okay.
You know what I'm talking about? They'd be like drunk off like 2 sips, and there'd be some bubbles coming out of their mouth. And they'd be hiccuping. And they'd make that noise right there.
I love you, babe.
Oh my god, I've been drunk way too many times. Oh, shit.
You know I recorded this whole conversation, right?
Oh, good.
Uh-huh.
Good.
I want to hear it.